Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a new event in your Reclaim.ai account and add it to your calendar. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to Reclaim.ai, head over to the planner in the top left corner, and here you will see your calendar. So navigate through your calendar like using these previous or next buttons here, and navigate to the date you would like to add the event to. So I will go with, let's say for example, Thursday, March 5th. So what you want to do, guys, is click into the time slot here, like for example, I don't know, 7 p.m. in the evening. Click with your left mouse and give your event a title, like for example, I don't know, schedule YouTube videos or something like that. And then customize your event. You may, for instance, switch between event and task. You may set a priority by clicking into this button, for example, medium priority, and then assign also a starting time, for instance, or set it to repeating. For instance, if I click into that starting time, I will be given access to that option. So as previously mentioned, it's going to start at 7 p.m., but it's going to end not at 7:30, but let's say 8:15 p.m. Or you can set it to all day. Then click into attendees, for example, to send invitations by email to users you would like to invite to the given event. Then you will see the author here, video conferencing options, like you may just connect your account on Reclaim.ai with Google Meet, for instance, or Zoom by clicking into this button if you'd like to have a Zoom meeting, for instance. Then you may add a physical location, conference room, describe the given event, and here also, guys, go through the visibility settings, for instance, assign a calendar color, set it to public or private, leave it at default, set a reminder notification, and so on and so forth. So once you're ready, guys, click into create event here, or use the shortcut Control-Enter to add it to your calendar. And as you can see, guys, it has been scheduled to 7 p.m. on Thursday. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.